G'day guys, just a couple of days ago I put on my Instagram story when I mounted my sounder on this Railblaza mount, and I had so many people asking me about the mount, and to be honest I didn't know about the mount either until I saw it at work. I'm just going to show you how quick and easy it is to put this mount on. No drilling, nothing required, just a screwdriver. So the two parts that I have here where I mounted my sounder, I have the track wedge, which as the name suggests, it wedges into the track on the side of your boat in any position that you need. Then I have the fish finder mount R-Lock R, so it already has the arm and the adjustments for that to be able to position the sounder wherever you want. So I'll start by taking them out of the packet. So undo the screws of the track wedge. So there's your basic components. Comes with another piece. The basic components there, they come with the track wedge. So you want this one here. So I wanted the unlock function at the top for ease, but I guess you could have it at the bottom, depends whatever you want for your preference. So that little grey bar is the lock or unlock. So I'm going to mount it at the top. Then this piece has nuts in the back, and you fit it onto here. So you want to have this piece with the grip section actually facing up, because it's this slight indent that will lock in the top, and then this is on an angle which actually creates the wedge between the two to lock it in. So screw this in slightly. Leave it with a gap 5 to 10 mil, as so. And you sit it in the track. Move my cables out of the way. Sit it in the track wherever you want it to go. Then the last piece, small wedge piece, sits. You'll see it has a bit of a groove there that sits over that part of your track. Slide that in underneath your other piece. Position it where you want. So we'll go in the middle so it looks nice. Then simply tighten these screws up. So that is now locked in there solid. It cannot move anywhere. Your lock and unlock function is on the top, but that is solid. Then all that's left to do with your fish finder mount is there's already the whole combinations for just about every type of fish finder I think imaginable. So the outside four were the ones that suited my Lowrance. And do your adjustable side mount so you can sit it wherever you want. So we're going to sit it like that. This little tab here, up, is unlocked. Then you can rotate the sounder mount to wherever you want. We want to have it there. Then push down, locks it. Slide the little locking ring there down. It's locked and you can't move. Then simply sit it in the hole. Slide your grey lock across and you're in. Sounder is mounted. Another locking ring for the bottom one. We can unlock that and you can twist it sideways or out of the way for travel and lock that back in. So simple. Look at there. You want to take your sounder off, take it away. Crazy. It is literally that easy, guys. That's the track wedge in, the fish finder mount, lock R is there. As I said, you can just take my sounder away now, so I can take it away and not have to worry about safety of the sounder. And when I want to put it back in, you can just click it back in basically wherever you want. So I'm going to mount a few of these track wedges around, a couple for GoPros and a couple for my sounders, so I'll be able to have one on the front like this, and then I'm probably going to have a power cable and stuff down the back to be able to, when I'm barra fishing, just click this sounder in the back, so when I'm spot locked facing the back of the boat, I'll be able to look straight down and the sounder will be right there. So really is pretty easy.